Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears in Toca Boca. First, you'll need to gather some key ingredients from your kitchen. Next, we'll use the stove to heat and mix everything together. After that, carefully pour your concoction into a fun mold. Finally, we'll chill the mixture to set your delicious gummy bears. It's a simple and fun process. To begin, head to your Toca Boca kitchen. You'll want to find the sugar and gelatin, which are usually in the pantry or on a shelf. Next, pick out a fruit or berry from the fridge. This will give your gummies their yummy flavor and vibrant color. Don't forget a small pot or saucepan for cooking and a cool mold for shaping your treats. Now it's time to cook. Combine your sugar, gelatin, and chosen fruit in the small pot. Place the pot onto the stove and turn on the heat. Gently stir the mixture continuously until all the ingredients are fully dissolved and the liquid becomes smooth. Make sure there are no lumps left, as this ensures your gummies will have a perfect texture. Once your mixture is smooth, carefully pour the warm liquid into your selected mold. Be precise to avoid spills. Then, place the mold into the refrigerator or freezer to chill. You'll need to wait for about 1 hour or until the gummies are completely firm. Finally, gently pop your finished gummy bears out of the mold, and they're ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.